Everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So, at the end, you know what to do, but here initially I will help you how to find correct answers from MCQ type of questions as well as some difficult type of question I am having for this reading passage, that is complete the summary using list of words. But here I will tell you, without reading passage you can find correct answers with the help of your understanding. Third type of question we have yes, no, not given, but definitely I will start my reading passage with first multiple choice questions. And you know, this reading was part of 11th July 2024, that was happened just recently. Let's start this reading, and before going to the questions I will read the title. You also have to read the title and you will be doing practice with me. So the title here says the significant role of mother tongue in education. The significant role of mother tongue in education. Now it is understood that we are going to talk about importance of mother tongue in any education system. And here you can see, I can see Canada. So Canada is one of the favorite country for those who want to go abroad for their study purposes. Okay, Canada. So for the sake of this Canada country, focus on your reading practice, but apply reading tips and tricks, strategies that I'm always going to tell you, and in your actual practice please apply these, then it will be beneficial for you all students. Okay, now let's start with multiple choice question. Now this is first type of question, multiple choice question. So how we will come to know that it is multiple choice question? By reading the instructions. Instruction says choose the correct letter A, B, C or D. It means we have to select one character from four options. Here there are four options, we have to select only one. Write the correct letter in boxes 1 to 4 on your answer sheet. Okay, now we have read the instructions. Now coming to the main point. So these four options we will not read first. First we will read the statement and try to understand the demand of the question statement. What point is the writer making? What important point is the writer making in the second paragraph? Already they have given us the location. We will start reading the passage from the second paragraph. I will not be reading anything from first paragraph. Okay, so important point what the writer is making. Now let's go to second paragraph. So this is second paragraph. So I am looking for point writer making in the second paragraph. So let's read it. Till here it is second paragraph. The challenge for educators and policy makers is to shape the evolution of national identity in such a way that the rights of all citizens, including school children, are respected and cultural, linguistic and economic resources of the nation are maximized. Okay, to waste the resources of the nation by discouraging children from developing their mother tongues is quite simply unintelligent from the point of view. Yes, this is the thing we were looking for. Point word is given. See this, what point is the writer making in the second paragraph? From the point of view of national interest. So we will just read it from here to here, and if you want you can read the next sentence also. A first step in providing an appropriate education for culturally and this diverse cultures children is to examine what the existing research says about the role of children mother tongue in their educational development. Okay, so point here is saying to waste resources of the nation by discouraging children from developing their mother tongues. It's quite simply unintelligent. From unintelligent means not supporting or not good from the point of view of national self-interest. Okay, now read the options. Some present studies on children's mother tongue are misleading. So no, they are not talking like that. Some present studies on children's mother tongue are misleading. No misleading kind of thing was there. A culturally rich education program benefits some children than others. So culturally rich program, no comparison was given that some children will get more benefit than others. This is also wrong. Bilingual children can make a valuable contribution to the wealth of a country. So country kind of thing was there. View of nationalist country self-interest. So bilingual children can make a valuable contribution to the wealth of the country. Okay, let's read D also. The law on mother tongue use at school should be strengthened. So nothing was given like that. Law, they were not talking about any law kind of thing. See this national to waste appropriate education to examine, no law kind of thing. And actually answer is here. See this, in this from here to here you can just compare the things. To waste the children resources of a nation by discouraging children from developing their mother tongue is quite simply, it means indirectly they are saying bilingual children means those who will speak their mother tongue as well as other can make a valuable contribution to the wealth of a nation. So we will select this. Second question, why does the writer refer to something that this person says? Why does the writer refer to something that this person says? It means second paragraph was there for first question, and we will just find the location in third paragraph. So in third, in fact research is very clear when children continue to, so I am not going to read, I want to see this person name first. So in the third paragraph I can see this person name. So the question says, what does the writer refer to something that Goethe said? Okay, Goethe, the famous more than 150 research studies. So we will read it from where the person name is there, but the sentence is starting from here. So more than 150 research studies conducted during the past 35 years strongly support what Goethe, the famous 18th century German philosopher, once said, that the person who knows only one language does not truly know that language. Okay, so what does the writer refer? So a writer is properly word is not there, but research studies conducted during past 35 years strongly support what this person says. Okay, let's read it. To lend weight his argument strongly support, I think this will come, but let's read others. To contradict some research, so contradiction is not there. If more than 150 research studies are supporting this person, then there is no contradiction. To introduce a new concept, to update current thinking. Let's read these one. Research studies that bilingual children may also develop more flexibility in their thinking as a result of processing information through two different languages. The person who knows research suggests. So nothing they have not talked about. To introduce a new concept, to update current thinking is also thinking word is here, but current is not there. So we will support this first because strongly support it is given. So here is the location. Now coming to third number, the writer believes that when young children have a firm grasp of their mother tongue, the writer believes that. Okay, now where we will find processing may also develop the level of, okay, here it is given the level of development of children's mother tongue is a strong predictor of their second language development. Children who come to school with a solid foundation. Let's read the statement also. The writer believes that when young children have a firm grasp of their mother tongue, this is the thing. So what will happen when children have their strong mother tongue is a strong predictor of their second language development. Means they can learn second language. Children who come to school with a solid foundation in their mother tongue, solid foundation in their mother tongue. Okay, this is the location for solid foundation in their mother tongue, develop stronger literacy ability in school language when parents and other caregivers are also to spend time with their children and tell stories or discuss issue with them in a way that develops their mother tongue. Children come to school well prepared to learn the school language and succeed educationally. So here also develop stronger ability. Let's match this answer in this. They can teach older family members. So nothing is given about they can teach older family members. They go on to do much better throughout their time at school. To do much better, I think school ability. They can read stories about their, nothing is given. They develop stronger relationship with their family than their peers. Nothing is given like that. only this will come here. They develop stronger literacy ability, means they will do good in the school language. They will do good in school. B will come here. Now fourth number. Why are some people suspicious about mother tongue based teaching programs? Now let's find this teaching program. This paragraph we have done. School. Okay. So educators, parents, suspicious word is there of mother tongue based teaching program. So this is the location. I will show you the question. What some people suspicious about mother tongue based teaching program? What people are suspicious? Because they worry that they take time away from the majority language. Because they worry that they take time from the majority language. For example, in a bilingual program where 50% of the time is spent teaching through children's home language and 50% through majority language, surely children won't progress as far as in the latter. One of the most strongly established findings of that well implemented bilingual programs can promote literacy and subject matter knowledge in a minority language without any negative effects on majority language. Okay, so let's read the options. You can also read it with me. Please do it and try to find the answer. They worry that children will be slow to learn to read in either language. They worry. No, nothing is given like that. They think that children will confuse words. No confusion like of things given in this paragraph. They believe that programs will make children less interested in their lessons. Less interested, negative, majority language. They can promote, it is given literacy and subject matter knowledge. So it is also wrong, proof wrong. They fear that the programs will use up valuable time in school day. Yes, first line says this. They worry that they take time away from the majority language. Time is given. So we will select the option D1, valuable time in the school day. Okay. Now I was telling you how to do these fill in the blanks, complete the summary without reading list of words. Okay. If you can do it, then it's well and good. I have also tried it. That's why I'm telling you. So bilingual children, they are talking, and let's read the options first, then we will start reading sentences. Teachers, school, dislocation, rate, time, communication ability, family, type, area. Okay. So first one is saying it was often recorded that bilingual children acquire the dash to converse in the majority language remarkably quickly. What they acquire? Those who are speaking two or more languages, two languages, what they acquire. So let's find it. Teachers, dislocation will not come, school will not come, rate will not come. I think ability or skill will come here. So they children acquire the so what they have told, ability to converse means communication. So we will not write communication, to converse in the majority language. So here we will write I. This is so we will write not the spelling, because here they have given write the correct letter A to J in boxes 5 to 9 on your answer sheet. So here it will come ability indirectly, but here whatever they have written, so I will write I. To next sixth paragraph, the fact that the mother tongue can disappear at a similar is less well understood. That the mother tongue can disappear at a similar, teachers will not come, dislocation will not come, similar time is less than, no, nothing is matching, communication, school, rate, family, type, area. So rate will come. Disappear at a similar rate, just fit the word and then think that whether it is coming matching or not. Disappear at a similar rate is less well understood. So rate is D number. This phenomenon depends to a certain extent on the proposition of people with the same linguistic background that have settled, means settled in a particular. Let's find the answer. School, no. Teachers, no. Dislocation, no. Time, no. Communication can't come. Type, family, area. Because people are settled in area, not in school, not in teachers. Anything can't come, only area will come. So this is J. See this, I will just read the sentence with me. certain extent on the proposition of people with the same linguistic background that have settled in a particular area will come. It can't come family, type, rate, school, teachers, nothing is fitting, only area is fitting over here. Now if this is limited, children are likely to lose the active use of their mother tongue and thus no longer employ it even with dash, although they may still understand it. So, and thus no longer employ it with. Try to understand the meaning, then you can easily, if it is this limited, children are likely to lose the active use of their mother tongue and thus no longer employ it with teachers, dislocation, time, communication, school, rate, employ it with communication, no, or family. So now here I can't get answer, I have to read it for that. Nothing is no longer employ it with. Let's do 9th, then I will try to find it. If it follows that teenager children in these circumstances experience a sense of what in relation to all aspects of their life. Circumstances experience a sense of what kind of sense? Communication can't come, time can't come, teachers can't come, school can't come, family, type, nothing is matching, only communication, no, sense of communication, no, nothing, no, it is also not. That teenager children in these circumstances experience a sense of dislocation in relation to all aspects of their life. So here we will mark C. Now for 8th question, definitely I have to go to the location because I am not getting it what they want to say. So how we will find it? Now everything, if this is limited, children are likely to lose the active use of their mother tongue and no longer employ, although they may still. Teenager children, let's find it, and phenomenon also bilingual children. So let's find it where we have left the first type of question, location. This is the paragraph relating to this. See this is the paragraph. Bilingual children, they are talking about, seem to pick up conversational skill. So conversational skill in the majority language at school. So what we have, children acquire the language, acquire the skills. Conversation is there, skills, instead of skill what we have written, ability. Okay, but we are looking for this number. So let's move to, so here they are talking about if this is limited, lose their active. So where they are talking about teenager. So let's find this teenager word over here. They may retain respective skills in the language, but they will use the majority language in speaking with their peers and siblings, in responding to their parents. By the time children become adolescents, okay, by the time children become, no longer employ it with dash. So here something is given, they may retain respective skills in the language with their peers and siblings and in responding to their parents. By the time children become adolescents, the linguistic division between parents and children has become an emotional chasm. Pupils frequently become alienated. That we have already done, alienated word from this dislocation we have done, but I am looking for this where they are talking within, they may retain respective language, that will use, I think this peers and siblings will come, responding to their families. So to their parents, I think family will come here, because and thus children, and thus no longer employ it with family members will come here. See this, lose their ability to communicate in their mother tongue within 2-3 years of school. They may retain respective skills in language, but they will use the majority language in speaking with their peers, siblings, and in responding to their parents. It means these all are family, so we will just do it family. Okay.